Hello again. Let's do dynamic rotation around different axes right now. And I will be deliberately slow here because they are they are not too difficult, but they are not too easy. Okay, let's do infinite rotation right now. So it will be all the time rotating around x-axis right now. So we see it. Let me check if I recording right now. Yes, I do. So it's all good. Otherwise it would be pretty much annoying to do the video and don't record it. So we have const speed, let's say it will be 0.5 like it's want to do. We have, like it asks from us, time multiplied by speed. Yes. What it wants from us, we want to go around the x, around the e, so we need to use 5 6 5 9 6 10 5 9 6 10, and we have it somewhere, right? Well, we had it, I remember. Let's copy this. Let's remove that. Let's uncomment it. Let's remove comment from here. Now we'll do 5 for the cosine, x 10 for the cosine, 6 and 9, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Now we need to use this angle, and we're using it. It doesn't argue about speed. I have speed and I have time. I do have time, right? I have time. Yes, I do have time. Okay, now minus here on 6. So what it will do right now? I'm like, it going outwards, kind of from us. So we say if it's 9, it goes like this. If it's 9 with a minus, no, with a plus sign. So 6 right now is minus. Why it's vice versa right now? Is it the difference of perspective? Is it my mind tricking me right now? Right now that brings to the plus sign, which I was given information. If we switch sign, it's tricking me. I hate it. I hate it. It's behaving, the system behaving for me unpredictably right now. And I don't like it. I don't like when the system behaving unpredictably. it's moving to the this direction right now, and the 6 right now is positive, and 9 is negative. So it runs away from negative and goes to the positive. But if we use only angle, let's say const stat angle, which is equals 15 math pi, and we oh yeah, that was right. Okay, that was actually what I wanted. Now it's going to give it one by one to me. Why does math cosine stat angle? It's kind of strange. But what we're going to do, we're going to move this block here, and we're going to copy it, Control C, Control V, and that will be, we're going to restrict this. I'm going to restrict this right now. I could put if statement, but it's too much right now. I'm thinking about different things. We're going to print stat angle here. So, and we're going to, so right now it rotates towards us because 6 is the positive, so it rotates downwards on us. It rotates this downwards on us. But if we reload, so this cap I would expect be pointing, let's give it a little bit more. Let's get it a little bit more angle. It will be pointing, it should be pointing with the whiter part towards us. Then it will click. And it is. So it is the perspective thinking. So right now, because right now I'm thinking that the positive sign brings rotation on it. But in the previous video, we end up experimenting and it was vice versa. It hurts, my brain hurts. Not hurt really, but that's interesting. It's a point of perception. Probably I'll need to delete these videos. So don't get ashamed too much. Okay, so let's return our rotation. It rotates onwards to us. And it's like, okay, that's a diamond. That's a head. That's a diamond head. You know this apple pie? That's a diamond head. Okay. Now we're going to bounce it. we're going to decide. Okay, I'm sorry. You can speed up video if it's if I'm sorry, because you can speed up video if I'm too slow. I'm thinking, so you don't get annoyed. We're going to ping pong it. What I mean is going to node towards and away from us. Okay, ping pong it. So we're going to give it only one const max degree equals 45 for right now. Like that. And so it, yeah. Speed, time, max degree. That's only error for it's not been used and never read. Let's see if I'm succeeded. I'm not succeeded. Oh yeah, of course. I'm done. I am done. Oh, I am done. La 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 la. It's very nice to be done. Oh, I copied wrong one. Let's remove this. Let's copy this. Ctrl V. Here. Angle. And see how it will be noding to us right now. So it's going back and forward. Let's speed it up. Let's give it speed of 2.0. So it's nodding towards us and out towards us because it goes between 2 points, or between this max degree. We can make it less angle. We can make it even. Oh, did I reload it? Yes, I did. Let's speed it up a little bit more. We're going to give it speed of 3. We're going to give it less angle, actually 15. Why the speed doesn't working? 5, faster. I want faster. Okay, it does work. Okay, so here's max degrees. Here's the time, which is much higher there. It's basic default timing. Where is it? Basic default timing in milliseconds, and we multiply by how fast it can go. So it goes right now. You figured it out, okay? I just will be well, precisely 0.005 milliseconds it goes. Yes, right? No, not right. If I'm mistaken, tell me. Okay, so if we want to speed up, we want to give 10, and it will be really fast, I guess, right now. It's like this oscillation of timing. Nuclear one. Oh, actually, it's how many? Oh, okay. 100. Oscillation of timing by nuclear. That's how atomic watch works. Okay, guys, you got it. It's exact. Well, it would be exact if we would do here, I don't know how many numbers here. We can't perceive it. Okay. So that's a back and forward motion. We will do a little bit less speed, but kind of speedy still. Let's do 5. Okay. Now we're going to do between 2 points. We'll say we will say const. Actually, you know what? I want to leave it for me. This I'm just going to copy it. See, leave it for me for the future me. Here we're going to call minimum degrees const. Not say minimum degrees, and let's say it will be minus 15. Now speed will be the same. I'm thinking, guys, I'm thinking. Sorry. Speed is the same. And we just do this here. We're going to define minus white wants all of this stuff. I have no idea. I don't want to participate in it right now. We're going to give it max degrees, which is here, minus minimum degrees, which is here. We're going to cancel all of other stuff. And let's say that will be 45 degrees. 45 degrees. No, I meant this one, minus 15 degrees, and that will be 45 degrees. So it will be declining towards us more, right? Or am I wrong? No, it went, so it's goes opposite way and less towards us, more opposite way and less towards us. So let's do more motion. Let's say I want to go 90 degrees, so it will be bottom towards us. Yeah. What? Max degrees, 15 points. 15 points here, for example. Yeah, it goes 15 points here on the top, and then 90 degrees on the bottom. No, it doesn't. Does it or does not? So let me very fast check my mass here and I'll be back. So scratch this. I was completely wrong here. It's just still keep on bouncing between. So generally this mass is good for bouncing back and forward between one angle, which is this, let's say this one. So let's say it will be 15. So that's pretty much simple calculation, which is we calculate time, we calculate speed and max degrees, and so it's bouncing between back and forth between these degrees. Let's speed it up. So it's bouncing back and forth between these 15 degrees. Let's do 90 actually, just to check it out if this nice math is counting. Yeah, it's back and forth. It's too fast. Let's do it a little bit slower so we can definitely see that it's going bouncing between 90 degrees. 90, 90, 90, 90. So it's all good. So it's bouncing 180 degrees. If changing direction here is not doing good to us because it will be changing direction, but it doesn't matter for us. It's all the same motion, as well as the as well as if we put here cosine. It's another one. It's like constructor. It's still bouncing the same angle. It's just changing oscillation of on the graph. I showed you earlier this. Okay. So, but what if I want to do bouncing between minus 15 and, for instance, 50 degrees? Degrees. Degrees? Angles. 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 So let's then go for this. Let's bring this one to the same. I don't like when it's not properly tabbed. So going to say const max degree or angle equals 50 divided by pi. Yes, that's good. Mean angle. Yes, that's good. We'll move it up so it's minimum to maximum. And actually we can do yeah. We'll do this. That will be actual angle. Not const. It will be actual const angle. It doesn't know what I want. Angle range. Yep. Nope. No. That's not going to be counting. Actually, let's. Oh my gosh, I'm like getting crazy here. We're going for the speed, but not that kind of speed. And it's always all of these advices, huh? which leads me to the different paths. Let's call it, why it calls speed 2? Oh my god, it makes my decisions. I don't want speed 2. Leave me alone. Math sign. Oh my god, it wants to decide for me. I don't want that. I want this. And then next one. Const. No. Angle degrees. Oh my. It actually made me a little bit mad right now, because it wants to lead me to different paths, but it doesn't want to take my path. Degrees. Which is this one. Minimum angle, speed multiply of the range. So we start from the minimum angle. We take a range multiplied by speed, end up with the angle degrees. Except what it doesn't like, cannot declare block scoped speed. Okay. It's here. I'm going to comment out this one. Now we're going to count the not terminal. We're going to count, what's this word I'm looking for? Final angle, which is going to be angle degrees, which we will count in except, and we're going to uncomment this one and see what the result will be. Am I wrong again? Let's say there will be 90 degrees. That's why it's not tutorial, okay? And we'll make it minus 15 degrees. So 90 degrees. Yes, it's good. Let's do minus 30 degrees. So that's a range moving from non-formally, what this word is, not when it's not copying itself, not formally, I think. Yeah, it's going minus 30 degrees, then it's come back to 90 degrees. Let's do 180 degrees here. Yeah, and minus 30, yes. Not easy. I don't know, maybe for somebody that's easy, but not for me. So we calculated the speed, we calculated the range, we took minimum angle, we took the resulting number, we calculated the final, not final, mediocre angle. We translated it to degrees, and then we pushed to the our matrix, and now we have motion. Let's say that will not change nothing. It's changed direction of it. So now 15 degrees towards us and 180 degrees outwards us. And if we change here cosine, that will not change nothing. I mean, that will flip it. Yeah. Okay, that flips motion, but let's come back here. Okay, I kind of understand. I hope you understand. Okay, but let's bring it to the halt. Let's comment this out. Ranged motion around x axis. Let me make a pause here.